Well, hello and welcome to the first week of May. Feels like quarter end just ended, but here we go again. I just wanted to jump on because I just finished up one of our SBA evaluation projects, and it got me thinking about the dashboard that you see behind me. And we released this dashboard about a year and a half ago for our servicing clients, but this is still new for our SBA and loan clients. And because it's so new, I thought I would just call some attention to it quickly. So we actually developed this report for our own internal use about 10 years ago, because easily the most common question that we get every month is, why did my value change? You might think that this question only really matters when the value goes down. This is not the case. At the end of last quarter, our servicing clients actually saw values kind of skyrocket, right? And guess what their first question was? Why did my value change? Anyway, that is what this report behind me shows our clients. And now that our model is providing immediate valuation results, you just head to the dashboard, and this report gives you an explanation as to exactly what happened. So I just want to just go through it quickly line by line. And if you look at the columns on the right-hand side, it shows you a change between periods in both basis points and dollar value. So first row, that's where you ended last period. Last row, that's how you ended this current period. And in between is really just a sequence of events. So rows 2 and 3, you're just looking at your payoffs. You're looking at what remains and how that affected the value. So in this case, it fell about 18 basis points. And then you move into the next section, and how changes in assumption between periods affected your value. So versus prepays, in this example, there was an increase in prepay speeds, and it caused a 70 basis point fall in value. Next line, how did the changes to the rest of the assumptions impact things? So primarily discount rate, right? In this case, the discount rate fell and improved value by 52 basis points. You can see that on the right. And then finally, new loans. How many new loans were added? In this example, 69 new loans were added, and it increased value by about 2 basis points. So because the dashboard is so new for SBA and loan clients, I really just wanted to make sure that you're aware that this is available. Our servicing clients tend to our mortgage servicing clients tend to pay pretty close attention to this. But as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to touch base, and I hope everybody has a good week.